Hello, my name is Hannah Owen, and today I'm going to be talking about how the Earth is a habitable planet. Many people have reasons, a lot of reasons of how the Earth is habitable, but I've broken it down into four sections or things that kind of intertwines that all. And so the first thing is the Earth's mass. The Earth's mass is a part of the reason Earth has an atmosphere, which is essential to life. The gravity of the Earth is what pulls on the gas molecules to create the atmosphere. The second thing is the position from the sun. We're in the perfect position. If we're too close, then we would be way too hot and the water on the earth would evaporate, and we need water. If we are too far away, the water on the earth would be solid, which also wouldn't be good for us. It would be like living at the Sahara Desert or in Antarctica, which neither one on earth are able to be lived in. The third Another reason why the position of the sun is important is because the temperature combined with the gravity is why we have oxygen, and why the oxygen is allowed to stay in our atmosphere and allows us to breathe, which obviously is important. The third reason is the magnetic field. The magnetic field protects the planet from solar winds and essentially deflects them, and this allows us to keep our atmosphere. The fourth and final reason is the rock and water cycle. The rock cycle allows us to have dirt, in which is essential to grow plants, and the water cycle helps plants to grow and help make the planet habitable to animals and us. And that's it. Thank you.